Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying a good health. Let's start our lecture. Here we have bridging. I hope you have solved it, and here is the answer of that bridging. Let's start our lecture. We have BLIFT number 51, which is related to reading and critical thinking, and our learning outcome is apply strategies to comprehend questions by marking keywords, verbs and tenses in literal and factual question and tech questions. Identify problem solution in a text by linking an issue to its problem source. Let's talk about how we can find keywords or put tense in a question and how we can find answer of that question from the text. First, we have to look for keywords to find the main idea of the question. Second, we have to look at the verb or tense in which the question is asked. Second, spot tag questions, if there are any, with the question. Let's start. Before reading this text, we have to read the questions of this text. The first question is, what is bribery? And the second question is, what are some common forms of corruption mentioned in the text? If you look at your first question, here the keyword is bribery and the tense is present tense. And in the second questions, words are common forms of corruption mentioned in the text. Now, let's read the text. Bribery, a social evil. Corruption is a term used to describe the abuse of power for personal gain or to gain an unfair advantage. Here we have a keyword which is asked in the question, corruption, and here is the present tense is. So you can write this sentence or you can read this sentence and write answer in your own wording in the answer at your practice book. It is a problem that affects many countries worldwide and can take many forms. Here the other keyword which we have read in our second question, many forms such as bribery, nepotism and favoritism. Corrupt people often use their powers to control others and obtain things they do not deserve, which can hurt others. Bribery is one of the most common forms of corruption. Here you can find the answer of second question, in which you have to write these forms, bribery, nepotism and favoritism, as forms of corruption. You have to read the text, and after that, after comprehending that text, you have to write answer of these questions in your practice book. And at home, you have to answer these questions which is given at your practice book as well. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you and you apply these strategies to find relevant information which is asked in your question and try to write answer in your own words. Okay, bachcho, Allah Hafiz.